Welcome. This is our semester project for green analysis of electrical systems. My name's Taylor Hart. My partner is Yarely Smith. Start out looking at our code requirements. The IRC is going to be the required code, but then it's not really making the home energy efficient. So we're then applying the ICC 700 to reach better efficiency. There are many strategies of creating electrical efficiency in a home. We're going to run through several alternatives. Firstly, it's the smart ventilation system, and this is monitoring the building occupancy and as well the weather outside. GETS is another monitoring system, but this is looking at the electrical grid that the home is pulling its energy from, and then using thermal energy to store that power, and then only heating whenever the power is cheapest. Smart thermostats are a very common option in homes. They're very user-friendly, but the downfall is that they can take a while to recoup their upfront costs. Smart appliances are more of a luxury item whenever it comes to electrical systems, but they are very convenient for homeowners and are able to save time and energy. The air barrier is a system of applying aerosol spray to make the building airtight, and this is going to drastically lower energy consumption as well as improving air quality in the building. Energy monitoring and management control is looking at the general energy consumption of the building, and it can reduce energy consumption up to 15%.
That is the option that we consider the ultimate option for sustainability throughout a home's life cycle. So the energy monitoring and management control system has an environmental impact since it can lower that consumption by 15%, like Taylor says. It has the economic impact because those savings are easily seen over time since you're saving 15% on each of those monthly bills. And then lastly, the social impact. The more the homeowner can control and understand the settings of their home, the more comfortable and safe they will feel inside. The electrical system has a lot of interactions with different other systems, starting with the exterior roof and air conditioning. These are systems that run with the electrical system since there are several penetrations along the exterior of the home for the wiring and for the penetrations for the air conditioning vents. This is one of the biggest electrical pools from the home, so it does need its own breaker. Another is plumbing and water systems. So these do not play nicely with the electrical systems, but they are closely monitored since they go inside the same wall cavities that the electrical wiring and air vents are going through. Water heaters are another source of interaction, and these are another big energy consumer that also need its own breaker. And lastly, in the Sonoma home specifically, we can see some of the furniture and cabinetry that the electrical system runs in with. And while these provide encasings for the electrical systems, they don't really affect the performance of them.
So looking at the overall project impact when it comes to electrical systems, there's a lot of ways that we can save energy. And best for the homeowner, builder, and community is to do energy reduction and then applying these different credentials to like Energy Star, Passive Home, LEED, which eventually will make the house more desirable and be easier to sell.
In terms of post-construction, there's two things that a builder can really do to help. First is the tenant or occupation education. So this really just puts responsibility on the builder to help educate the homeowner so that they can effectively take care of their home. It's so that they can properly use their appliances and keep up with the routine maintenance. And then the second is the post-occupancy evaluations. These are tests that can be done to a home after its construction is done to make sure that everything is running smoothly and that there isn't any issues. One of them is the test and balance that can be done to the AC system. And if it passes the test, it can significantly reduce the electrical load of a home. And then the other one is a home energy assessment. And this looks at where the home might be losing energy and identifies a problem area so that you can keep track of how your house performs as a whole. And these are our resources. Thank you.